Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall applications on your DREAME TV. To uninstall an application from your TV, you're gonna have to navigate to your apps list, which is available both on the home screen and in the apps menu. Here, select the application that you want to uninstall, then hold your middle D-pad button on this application for a couple of seconds, and once you see this screen, select View Details and then select Uninstall option right here. Click OK and wait until this application is uninstalled. After that, if you return to the home screen, this application will be removed from your apps list. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.